Bellhop Moving Company Review. Usage experience. Links to products mentioned in this video are included in the description below. Bellhop Moving is a modern moving service designed for individuals and families seeking a straightforward, reliable, and tech-enabled solution for local and long-distance moves. Bellhop's standout feature is its user-friendly booking system, which allows you to get an instant quote and schedule your move entirely online. Their app and website provide real-time updates, ensuring transparency and minimizing stress on moving day. Bellhop offers services ranging from loading and unloading to full-service moves, including packing assistance and transportation. Whether you're moving to a new city or simply relocating within your neighborhood, their flexible packages cater to a variety of needs and budgets. Bellhop pairs you with professional movers who are background checked and well-trained, ensuring a seamless moving experience. This service is ideal for busy professionals, students, and families who value convenience and efficiency. Bellhop's pricing model is straightforward, with no hidden fees, and you pay only for the time and resources you use. However, keep in mind that Bellhop specializes in labor-only and smaller moves, so it may not be the best fit for highly complex relocations or moves involving specialized items like pianos or antiques. Customer feedback highlights Bellhop's punctuality, friendly movers, and clear communication as major strengths. Additionally, their customer service team is responsive and quick to address concerns. While not the cheapest option, Bellhop stands out for its tech-driven approach and focus on convenience. Overall, Bellhop Moving Company provides a dependable and hassle-free moving experience for those who prioritize simplicity and transparency. If you've used Bellhop or are considering it, let us know your thoughts in the comments and check the links in the description for more information.